Good morning, students. This session is for preparing the record for mathematical lab activities, and as a part of internal assessment we have to prepare a record, and it contains 10 activities. Each one is awarded 10 marks, but finally it will be taken for 5 marks. So this is a mandatory one from last year. So I explain you how to prepare a record based on these activities. There are 10 lab activities. So I will explain you one by one. Students, look at here. This is the wrapper, and first page is with our school emblem and the record created by the students' name, and here you print out your name with the same content. And in the second sheet it is a certificate in which you have to write your name and section 12th, section ABCD like that, and your roll number here, and year also you have to change the year. Here it was 2019-2020 printed at the time, but now you are in the current academic year of 2020-21, so print 2020-21 like that, and all remaining contents are same. Next one is index page. So index, the first page contains 5 activities and the second contains another 5 activities, totally 10 activities. These 4 pages, that is front page, certificate and index pages, given you as a Word document, so you can alter. That means you can print your name, it will be given blank, or either you will put star. Removing that star, you write type your name, and here also there may be presenting a star. So as a PDF, it is not a PDF, it is a Word document, so you can alter it. And alter means you have to alter only your name, section, roll number, that's all, and year. In the certificate it is certificate, and in the front page your name only. And in the index, don't write any date, it will be given you later, so at the time we can print it, or we can use black pen in order to write the date. And so you just fill pages only 1, 2, 3 like that, and all columns should be left blank. And it is lab activities. The first activity is relation and function, first chapter. So these are all the pair of lines, group number of lines which are in a space, whether it is a relation or which all belong to logical equivalence. In order to prove it is a logical equivalence, so it will be explained to you, and you prepare this record as a first activity. First activity this one. Next activity is a function. So function which is not one to one but it is on to, so this is another activity, so you prepare as it is same. And next one is continuity of a function at a point. So this is a sample record, and which moves towards a number, real number 4. So you can write for, even take another value instead of 4, 5, 6 or 2, someone else something, and we have chosen 4 at the time. So next activity is fourth activity, it is a Rolle's theorem. So in this we have, in the Rolle's theorem we have studied at a point C between the intervals a comma b there exists, that is a point C, and at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, that is derivative is 0, f dash of x is 0. So we have to prove by examining this by diagram, and we can, if you go through this you will be easily you can understand this. And next one is local maxima and minima. Activity 5 is for local maxima and minima. Here we have drawn the curve. There are few maximums and minimums, among which is local maximum minimum. How to how to observe the local maximum, calculate local maximum and minimum from the graph. And next activity is absolute maximum minimum. So we have chosen one function. Here we have given values for drawing the diagram, that is parabola open upward. Here we have used some method to find the absolute maximum and minimum. And activity 7 is so practical problem on maximum, minimum and minimum value. So it is 6th chapter based, so applications of maximum, minimum and all. Here we have chosen one rectangle and to create a box by cutting the small squares on each corner of the rectangle, so which gives a maximum value. And we have given surface. So next activity, that is 8th activity, it is also related to maximum, minimum. When we are given a fixed perimeter, here they have taken 40 centimeter as a perimeter. There are 5 rectangles they have drawn. So among all the rectangles we have to prove the square is the only maximum area. So that the concept we have done as activity. So next one, activity 9, here calculating the area. Generally we are calculating area under the curve, we are using integration, but here we have drawn vertical strips. So each strip we are calculating from the graph. So we are getting a almost near perfect value for this area, and using integration also we are calculating the area comparing these two. So next activity is from probability. So it is a conditional probability for which we have some values. So based on this we have created this record, this activity we have done. So just to follow this, dear students, we have explained you the preparation of record and the content of record. And once again I tell you, using wrapper and spiral binding you just create this record. And once again I tell you, the first 4 pages given you as a Word document, the remaining part using your own handwriting, using black and blue pen only. So you don't use any other pen for writing these activities and all. And in the border you can use any type of pen, colorful pens and all. So you just prepare it with your own handwriting, and some need graph sheet also. So you draw a graph based on this, and accordingly you fix for the necessary place. And the last date of this record submission will be given to you through our coordinator madam. So I hope everyone will do your level best. Thank you very much.